Crew check 273, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, crew check 273.
Check 273, straight ahead and descending with me.
With you, Crew check 273, have a great day.
Spirit Tower, good afternoon. Cirrus 559 Alpha Charlie, about 7 out on the visual for runway 8.
559er Alpha Charlie, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Land 8 right, 559 Alpha Charlie.
Tower information, Lima now current, wind variable at 5, altimeter 3009er. Alpha Charlie, turn left at the reverse high speed, Alpha 6, and contact ground point 7.
Alright, left at the reverse ground, high speed and over to ground, then I'm Charlie.
Tower, Archer 616 Alpha Whiskey, holding short, runway 08 right at Charlie, ready for departure, V4 to the west.
616 Alpha Whiskey, Spirit Tower, sorry for that, runway right intersection, Charlie, clear for takeoff, left turn course approved, wind 110.
Not approved, clear for takeoff on 08 right, Archer 616 Alpha Whiskey, thank you.
Tower 81 Uniform Tango with you back to the west, inbound 8 right.
Uniform Tango, Spirit Tower, see parking.
County Keys.
Here, when Uniform Tango, make sure you're runway right, clear to land, wind 110.
Then 8 right, clear to land, 1 Uniform Tango.
Uniform Tango, left turn when able, contact ground point 7, let them know where you're going.
Left when able, ground point 7, Uniform Tango, take care. Spirit Tower, 90993 Kilo, 5 to the west with Lima. Looking for 8 right, to there.
0903 Kilo, Spirit Tower, make sure you're runway right, clear to land, number 2, fall Challenger 2 mile final, wind 8, correction, wind 0830.
Clear land number 2, 8 right, 935.
3 Kilo left turn when able, contact ground point 7.
Left Alpha 6, ground point 7.
Cherokee 724, runway 8 right, clear to land.
8 right, clear to land, 724.
Skylane 182 Whiskey Kilo, Spirit Tower. Make sure to runway 26 left, clear to land, wind 2407. Whiskey Kilo, thank you. Whiskey Kilo, affirmative, taxi to parking via Alpha 5 with me.
Park straight ahead via Alpha 5 with you to Whiskey Kilo.
Spirit Tower, November 991, Mike, inbound for 8 right. 901, Mike, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Clear and 8 right, so on Mike.
November 1, Mike, you may see a Seminole on a left base for runway 8 left at 1,400.
Watch it, on Mike.
For 1, Mike, say parking. Mike, roger, turn left at the first intersection you come up to. That'll be the reverse high-speed taxiway. Taxi to parking via taxiway Alpha, remain this frequency.
Left turn, parking by Alpha 50. 8 Alpha X-ray, 9 miles, out of 3,500.
888 Alpha X-ray, Spirit Tower. The Tracon give you the last report from us?
I did, I just wanted to talk to you and validate that.
Yeah, our last report was plus 50, minus 30 from a citation. You can enter the left down for runway 26 left.
What are you seeing on the ground? Are you consistent wind?
It's come down not much from when that report came in. Right now we're showing 30016 gusts of 30.
Be on the citation, okay?
As far as I know, they set it down. They were fine. They were making some jokes about it, but
Trying to wrap my head around that with indicated of 120.
yeah, I don't know. I haven't heard a number that big since I've been on the job. Runway 26 left, clear to land. I'll give you some updated wind as you get closer.
Clear to land, 26 left, 8 on the exit.
022 gust 30. set it down. For 88 Alpha X-ray, roger. You can continue down the runway, turn right at Alpha 8, and then you can go straight in to park down on this frequency.
Tower Bonanza 721 Echo November, I'm 5 miles to your south, east, inbound full stop 26 left.
721 Echo November, Spirit Tower, good afternoon, wind 040 at 4, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Left, clear to land, 1 Echo November.
Echo November, right turn Alpha 6, contact ground point 71 off, have a good day.
Point 6, ground point 7, thanks, 1 Echo November.
Gyrocopter 7 Charlie Charlie, southeast departure approved, to runway 26 left, Alpha 5, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 26 left, Alpha 5, southeast, 67 Charlie Charlie.
Gyrocopter 7 Charlie Charlie, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, thanks for the great ATC service, 67 Charlie Charlie. How you doing? Tower Baron 7869 Romeo, visual 26 left.
7869 Romeo, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, cleared to land, safe parking.
Clear to land, 26 left, County G hangar 69 Romeo.